Someone once told me, feed people or entertain them, and you'll always have a purpose. The only thing we really need as humans after oxygen and water is food and a sense of purpose. Feeding and entertaining people lies at the absolute heart of what our cookery school is all about. And travelling and sharing that with people that cross our paths is one of the simplest and most rewarding pleasures that one can have. So we would love to share our cookery journey with you, and maybe even ignite the spark that sets you on your own cookery journey, wherever that may take you. Welcome to the YSE Cookery School.